What's up, Guide and Bolt fans? This is Nick, and as you can see, I'm trying to install Kali Linux on this laptop. Just wanted to show you a potential error message that you might encounter if you're trying to do the same thing, and then how to get past it. So we're currently on the select and install software step. As you can see right there, that's what's highlighted. If we go ahead and click continue here, just give it a moment here to compile. We're going to see a few different options here. We can select different bootloaders. We're just going to go with the default option. So you can see here, these are the current default settings. We also have the option to enable GNOME and KDE. Quick rundown on these if anybody's not familiar. XFCE, obviously, again, that's the default. It's more of the lightweight and simple version. GNOME is a little more polished, but it's a little more resource intensive. And then you got KDE, that's highly customizable. Some say it's a little more balanced, or it's kind of a nice balance between the other two. But we're just going to go ahead and select the default option. And go ahead and click on continue here, and as you can see, we got an error message. It says an installation step failed. You can try to run the failing item again from the menu, or skip and choose something else. And that's actually what we're going to do. We're going to do something else first. So just go ahead and click continue here. What we're going to do first is install the GRUB bootloader. So we're going to go ahead and select that option, click on continue. Yeah, that's fine. We're only going to have Kali installed on this, so we don't need to enable this option. We'll just keep that as default as well. Continue. Give this just a moment to finalize and finish. Shouldn't take it too awfully long here. Basically, once this completes, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and then go back to the software installation. There we go. So it says installation is complete. It's time to boot your new system. Make sure to remove installation media, yada yada. Click continue to reboot. So we don't want to click continue yet here because we haven't installed the other software. So we're actually going to go ahead and click on go back. And then we're going to find the select and install software. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4 up from the current setting. Go ahead and click on that. Click on continue. Play the Jeopardy theme song again while we wait. Did I just see something about popcorn there? I thought I did. All right, so there we go. So we're back at this menu. Again, we're just going to keep the default options. Go ahead and click continue here. And hopefully, yeah, as you can see this time, we did not get an error message. It is currently going through the install process. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop it down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.